风景
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。我们在台湾啊，都对我们的医疗啊非常引以为傲。It's very convenient to go see a doctor here in Taiwan. We have a great healthcare system. Let's teach you some phrases, including like 医院怎么说啊？
医院，
医院 that's a hospital. 但如果是 clinic 诊所呢？
诊所，
诊所。通常我们回诊呢要先预约好。If you have a return appointment, you should make an appointment first. 我已经预约医院回诊。
我基金醫藥，
我基金醫藥，
醫院回診，
醫院回診，醫藥就是預約，對不對？那個回診叫做
回診，
回診。然後呢，另外一個就是台灣的牙醫很普遍，看牙很
方便
，right? In Taiwan, dentists are everywhere, and so it's very convenient.
啲台灣，
啲台灣，
牙科診所同普遍，
牙科診所同普遍。
看牙齒同縫片，
看牙齒同縫片。All right, let's review some of these phrases, including your return appointment, 回診，
回診，
回診. And we mentioned the dentist, 牙科，
牙科，
牙科. And finally, there's the clinic, 診所，
診所，
診所, and the hospital, 醫院，
醫院，
醫院. And there you have it, another Daily Hakka on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.